You know why you're still not able to speak English fluently? Because you're learning English through grammar rules, but your brain learns English or any language through structures and patterns. Let me explain this to you. There is a spelling Grammar, and there is second spelling Gramar, and the third spelling is Grmr. According to you, all three are different spellings, but according to your brain, all three are same. Because your brain learns through patterns and structures, not by grammar or spelling rules. It can recognize it if there is a slight mistake there. And this is the secret, guys. Fluent speakers use this structure, pattern, ability of your brain to improve their communication skills. And let me tell you how you can also use it. So there is a thing called chunk. Chunks are nothing ready-made words which you can use every day. Like people say, let's do it. Okay, I'm on my way. Okay, can you repeat yourself? Okay, I want to. So these are small structures which you cannot use alone, but in a way you can use it. Like how are you is also a chunk. I'm fine is also a chunk. Because if somebody would ask you how are you, then you will instantly answer I'm fine, right? These are chunks. So you can create a notebook, maintain a notebook where you can write down these things and where you will get this input from. Read newspaper every day. Why? This is a training for your brain. In the newspaper, you're not gonna read the grammar rules or anything. You're gonna read the same structures and pattern every day. There will be repetition in your brain, and your brain will be trained to recognize those patterns. And try to read the same newspaper every day. Because if you read the different newspaper, there will be so many different structures and your brain will be confused. But if you read the same newspaper every day, they almost use the same kind of vocabulary, same kind of structures. So that repetition will train your brain and you will learn those sentences, those structures faster. Try to listen to a news channel, and again try to listen to the same news channel every day, because they're gonna use the same kind of structures and pattern every day. And again, your brain will learn it faster. Try to listen to a speaker and try to listen to the same speaker again and again. If you listen to 10 different speakers every day, again, this will be too much for your brain, and repetition will not be there. So your brain learns through the repetition only. And what else you can do? Let me tell you one very powerful activity that's called shadowing. What shadowing actually means? Shadowing means you listen to one sentence, pause it and repeat it. Listen to second sentence, pause it and repeat it. So instantly you are learning new sentences, new patterns, practicing it, giving your brain more input. And when I say input, so let me tell you what input is. This reading, watching television, and listening to any speaker, all of it is input. You're giving input to your brain. But real game is when you start giving output. Output is writing or speaking. So you have to speak every day. If you are able to speak 10 minutes every day, that's gonna help a lot. With these activities, of course, chunk notebook, shadowing, and reading a newspaper and all. This way you will learn English faster. So remember this. Your brain doesn't learn language through grammar rules. It learns language through pattern and structures. So train your brain to learn new structures and patterns. Alright? Practice every day. Input is important, but output is even more important. You have to speak every day. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then hit the like button. If you like such content, then subscribe this channel and share it with somebody if you think they need it. Thank you for watching once again. Take care of yourself.